when we look at storage and we look at sort of the social networking environment that we are dealing with today in our businesses, OnX has the luxury of having a division in our business, Momentum Advanced Solutions, which is a digital application services company that is helping organizations understand sort of the explosion of social networking and the amount of data and unstructured data that businesses are forced now to really try to assimilate and understand and turn into information. At the underpin of that is really the ability to be able to store this data. And it also, I think, dovetails into what we are calling big data. And businesses can really not afford or do not seem to have the same growth strategies within the dollars available or their budgets to be able to support what is required from the growth of the amount of data that is required to be gathered and stored within their business. EMC has a strong understanding of really the continuum of data from the Green Plum technologies from a business intelligence gathering perspective to their tiering strategies around their traditional storage products and understanding what needs to be readily available, what hasn't been touched, how do we get to it, to their deduplication strategy around their BRS product line and data domain, and really helping organizations understand really a consolidation of that data and turning it into what is key information.
So our customers are really at the beginning steps to try and understand what does the cloud mean to them from a business perspective and how will that impact their technology infrastructure. So they're really trying to build out a cloud strategy that maps to their business model. So it's early days.
Okay.
From an EMC perspective, how they assist us with that, the EMC technology platforms from the storage, software, security, all of those pieces come together, and all of those are critical when you're building a cloud infrastructure. A cloud infrastructure is not just VMware. It's all the pieces around that come together to make it a functional, automated, orchestrated infrastructure. And EMC has a lot of pieces that fit into that to make it more effective. I mean, a perfect example is what they've done with VMware Cisco with the VCE vBlock. That's effectively a cloud in a box. You need to layer more stuff on there to become a full cloud, but it's a great starting point for what you need to do to be able to enable cloud in a private sense.